Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am SFA777 and today I am going to show you my new Matchbox aircraft model that I've already been unboxed. So this is the box, and mind you, this is my very first Matchbox model in my collection. So this is the box. It says Matchbox Skybusters, Airbus written over here. The aircraft was inside. I've already unboxed it today itself. Here it's written designed for lifetime, Airbus A320 Neo and metal. Backside again you can see it's written Airbus A320 Neo, Matchbox branding. These are some licensing part, again Airbus and barcode, all that stuff. So keeping this aside, and here is the actual model in my hand. So yes, this is the aircraft model. Now this aircraft doesn't feature any airline livery, it's just the Matchbox livery itself. So this is the model. It says Airbus A320 Neo. It's kind of look like Airbus 320 Neo. Okay, so it's silver in color. Again, there's a orange cheat line that goes across the aircraft's fuselage. On the tail you can see it's written M Airways. Okay, so basically it stands for Matchbox. I'll just focus it a bit. So it resembles Matchbox livery, M Airways. Registration, it's written I'll show you the registration. It's written JJW19. Okay, so that's what it's written there. And in front you can see, just below the cockpit window, it again says Airbus, just below the cockpit windows. Okay, just below the cockpit windows you can see it's written Airbus, and here's the cockpit windows. Matchbox air written, the nose landing gear, the gear is plastic. Okay, let me tell you one thing. The upper fuselage till the tail, from the upper part of fuselage till the tail, it's metal, and the below part of the fuselage, the wings, the engines, the landing gears and the horizontal stabilizers, all are plastic. So this model is a mixture of metal and plastic. Okay, so the front you can see the cockpit windows. Just below the cockpit windows you can see it's written Airbus, the nose landing gear, Matchbox air title, the doors, windows, engine, the engine details. I hope you can see a little bit the fan details. Okay, same on the other engine as well. The two emergency exit ways just above the main wings, and here it's written Airbus A320. Sorry, it's written Airbus A320 Neo, and it's not a sticker or paint, it's embossed on the fuselage, so you can feel it. The registration, as I said, JJW19, and the tail M Airways. Original stabilizers, the APU. Other side is the same thing. Matchbox air. Here also below the cockpit windows you can see it's written Airbus. The front section, undercarriage, the landing gears, lots of stuffs mentioned here. 2023 copyright metal. Again here it's written Airbus A320 Neo. Below the right wing, below the left wing it's written Matchbox, and below the horizontal stabilizers written made in Thailand. The landing gears roll very freely, they are made of plastic. The wheels actually roll, you can feel it. And especially I like the color scheme. It's a grey silver mixed color. It's basically silver color, and the cockpit windows are done pretty well on this one. So that's it. I like this model a lot, and this is my very first Matchbox aircraft model, Matchbox Airbus A320 Neo. So let me know, guys, how you like this model. What are your opinions on this? Do let me know. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.